And as you can
And
see
you
there,
done the YouTube. Were you happy to be on the
we
video?
have Antonio with us from Underground
Just
Explorer
link
UK. Hey, got it right this time.
Just link
And,
green laws and all, that's what Peter wants.
Yep, Noodle and Chris, and we're going into the biggest shithole we know. And this doesn't have stone arching, this has wood, which is half its problem. A lot of it has collapsed, so yeah, this is fun, this one. Never got to the back before because always the oxygen runs out, so we'll see what it does today. Noodle's meter is set at 16%, so if it hits that, that'll go off and we'll get out quickly. Well, no, reasonable speed. Noodle's suffering from the cold already. Stop making noises, you wimp. Oh, that's cold.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cold.
Right, we are now descending into hell. There's Chris making his way. This one takes no prisoners, straight into the shit. Or water. This is the most...
Taking us, for God's sake.
Oh, it's the worst mine you've ever been in. Possibly. And there's Antonio. Come on, get in. Come on. Didn't drive all this way to not get in. Come on.
I'm not coming in.
No, come in. Come on. I'll come and drag you.
I'm joking.
Alright. Oh. Yeah, you definitely need a wetsuit on this one. It's cold. I haven't got my floodlight with me on this video, so I apologise if the video's not the usual quality, but we have less light because this deteriorates faster a bit, and I don't want to be crashing into stuff trying to carry a camera and a floodlight, so floodlights stayed in the car on this one. Okay, one unusual thing you see in this mine all along is this sort of ledge. You don't see that. Well, I've not seen that in any other mines I've explored, so this goes all the way along this first section. That's unusual in our part of the world. What isn't unusual is water and the resulting formations, which it's worth going through the water for, because they are quite nice. A lot of iron in this one. So, it's got a piece of wood. Good. That's nice. We shall continue. Just going to the slower section at the moment, being a relative term. Yeah, lots more iron formations in this area. You see this one up ahead. And lots of use of wood instead of the usual stone that we get in our area. So, there we go. Lots of formations here. And that's just a passing point. You can see the water's been a lot higher than it is at present. So, lots of formations. Talking about having a pee. This thing's definitely having a pee. Cool. And yeah, it's soft.
It's a soft formation, is it? A lot.
Yeah.
I was going to say a lot of this formation, they look quite hard, but they're actually mud formations. So once you sort of could break them very, very easily.
Watch, there's a piece of wood in there. Right, go on. Okay, a little further on, and you can see the whole nature of the mine changes. Got these wooden supports, soft ground. Generally, not a very happy mine, so got to be careful how you put your hands and feet. And just up here, you can see one of the first major obstacles. Yeah, that support thing's collapsed, so gotta climb through there. Good fun. Right, here's Antonio. He's trying to demolish the mine at the first obstacle.
Take your bag off and pass it
How do
round.
you get through this?
Stoop.
Take your bag off, then you don't have to
This
dip
is-
into
I
much.
passed it quite easily once you're used to
Okay.
it. Just stoop and go under it. It's dead
This is a
easy.
retaining wall made of obviously timber that's basically given in.
If you're not
Totally.
already subscribed to Antonio's channel, make sure you go and do it. And while you're there, subscribe to Noodle's channel. Hey!
Hey!
Durham
Yeah, you
Explorers.
better subscribe to my channel. I'm not happy that you've got more subscribers than me.
It's because I've got more charm. Or something like that. He's our action star.
Give yourself a mine enemy.
We could give him a hand with his bag, but we're just too busy enjoying this. There he is. No problem. Well done. More of that to come. Woo! Much more. And as you can see, this continues. All the wood has collapsed.
Rotting timber.
So
Hell.
we're going to climb up and over this shite.
So many timbers.
And yeah, just a little bit further. And it's at it again. Another collapsed wooden structure. There are signs that this has been completely flooded. So it may have been flooded and empty, and that's caused timbers to rot quick. So explains all these collapses. Which I'm going to switch the camera off while we work through. You'll only get wobble vision out. There we go, remains of could be a valve, not sure if you do know. Might be here. Trying to stay upright. And you can see, once again, all the wooden structures cracking down. And you can see Chris giving scale to this thing. Admittedly, I do not know what it is. I'm sure somebody watching will know exactly what that is. You can let us know. There's a nice formation there above it. Right. And, yeah, calcite formation all along the way. Amazing process.
Well,
Chris has just noticed this as well, this mark with
These
the
areas where he's done in.
metal ring in the middle.
Gets better.
Maybe there's a
Yeah.
cable.
Gets nicer, yeah.
That's all it could be, but it's
Wow.
very thin that, so no idea. Right.
Can't find them cold.
Right, so just round the corner here, there's another bit where it changes to very, very shitty shell. It's extremely loose. Obviously, if you come across an environment like this, keep away. We do this so you don't have to. Lots of fallen shale. This is definitely an extreme explore. So, right, get him out. There's another one of the many obstacles to be faced with this one. Okay. Oops.
Right.
Right, you go first.
Yeah, there's a very long stalactite. I'm not going to touch that because it'll probably just come off. There's more there.
You look at it and it comes.
Oh shit! It's the mine police! Run! Run! Okay. Woo! Got some deeper water here. As we work our way through this flooded section, as usual. Oh. And another, yet another shale chamber. That's it. That's the one. Okay, here we go. Possibly in there, shut. Stop looking at that. And the bubbles along here as well. Trying not to fall over. These big wooden support beams. Massive. Continuing on. Right, we are approaching the first gateway to hell. Oh gee, sounds delicious. And you can see the wooden structure there. And this is as far as I've been in this one before. I do have a time limit today, so we still may not make it to the back. We'll see how we do. But, here it is, just ahead of New Eagles. A lovely little climb through shale. This is where the meter went faster last time. That's changed, has it?
Yeah.
Here's the second gear.
I thought we climbed up shale last time. We climbed up and over through shale last time.
Yeah, we haven't done it yet.
Ah, don't remember going through there.
So here's the second gate of hell. Chamber of Horrors.
Nice.
Sorry, no. That's the second gate. This is the third.
Yeah, we didn't go in there last time.
We did.
I thought we climbed up through shale here.
No.
Although this looks like it's been in for a while, so it might be me.
It's behind there.
Scramble is it coming up?
So I don't remember going through this water last time. Right, inside the gateway to, first gateway to hell. That's, oh, it goes over there as well. There's a big cavity over there.
Hey?
Big cavity through there.
Yeah, I think Vinny and that went through there last time.
Here's the guys
I don't have enough time.
getting into.
You want to do it on the way out?
Having fun.
Yeah, definitely.
Right,
It's a timber.
I'm going to scramble up this little hole here. It's assuming this is as far as we've been before. How far as I've been before. So I'm through there. Is Chris trying the same manoeuvre? There you go. Hey. Oh, good fun. Allegedly. Watch your hands up there, that's loose shale.
This.
Yes. Go for this big rock here. Right, there you go.
Ah.
And now greeted with this hole. Lovely. Right. So that chamber from the other side now.
Right,
Chris has just gone to help Antonio up. With,
You see my hand?
we'll just go as far as we can. So we're coming out to that hell chamber through the roof of the collapse level into this mess. This is extreme exploring, even if it's not vertical. And overhead we have the sixth gate of hell, and then we're almost after it. Oh, in deep water. Oh, excuse me. We will be on the back. Whew. This place is nasty. Right, and having come through there, this is what you face. Oh, we're enjoying ourselves.
Great.
He's convincing himself. Yeah, there we go. See it now.
Nice morning.
Okay. Oh, you join us. Oh, I had to bend my head over there. In the deepest section. As we float through. Let's see the other guys get in. Here we go. See how bad this is. Chest deep.
This is chest deep, this one.
This is the deepest.
Here we go.
You may as well commit now, you've come this far. Hello.
Chest deep because you can't stand up. Fucking wires everywhere.
I'm standing up fully. Yeah, he's enjoying that one. Oh. Right,
Oh my god.
let us make some progress.
What here? I can think that you've got to climb over.
Ooh. Nearly went swimming then.
Chest deep.
Oh, yeah,
Certainly feels like it.
it's getting deeper. Slowly. Slightly. There we go, there's Noodle. I'll make a good shot actually. It's quite atmospheric, that was.
Some nice bits of timber here we've got to climb over.
Lovely. Right.
Just the
Back
wall.
in about. I thought that was bad. It's getting worse.
Ah, there's a bloody bit of wood there.
That little bit is difficult to find where to put your feet. There's wood all over the place, so
Gosh,
just
yeah.
very slowly.
Just go slow, don't you?
Yeah. Good. Under this section here, which is quite low. Just to show you what it's like. Here's Chris coming through that same section.
Very woody.
Here we go. Ta-da. The problem we've been having is not so much the water,
Yeah.
but the massive pieces of wood underneath it you've got to climb over, and you can't see them. So glad to see that. Phew. Coming out of it. Slightly out of breath. And got some car tyres back here. Quite amazing. This is the cavity we've come up into after climbing out of hell. fun thing is we've got to go back that way. Lovely. Right. There's no shooting climb up. Like a time constraint today. That's not going to happen. Maybe if we'd have a daft enough to revisit. Well, look at that. Wading through the water. Oh, nice snapped support timbers on the right there. Lovely. Right, got some KP crisps. This is used by Daytoners. Yep. Oh, hang on. 5th of November. 5th of November 1980. How much have gone? Slightly off if they were still. We can see back here. Floor spot. All over the place. Yes, it's a big vein back here. That's a big drill.
We've got some big drills. I think that's a decline, the incline there.
Incline?
Obviously it's
Go on.
I don't know, I can't say.
Take a walk.
Eh?
Yeah, I guess there's something in.
Yeah. It goes down, that could go to the next level, but it could be room wrecked. Collapsing.
Loads over there. Oh shit. Right, just coming over this other collapse.
Okay.
And there's what could be an air tank. So I'm a bit knackered. Down into this area. Yeah, basically just because a wee bit out of puff. Go through all that. And let's climb here and change. Can't we do it? We've got more stuff. We've got collapse level beneath us. Right.
It fucking goes up there, now I just realised it goes up.
Got another maze jar. There we go. That's in lovely condition. As is everything else, it's fine. So, that's as far as we're going to go today due to time constraints.